Hey there, this is Neely with Neely on Nutrition, and I'm sharing with you my lunch today. Don't judge. No judgment allowed, because I don't judge you, okay? Recently I made a recipe, a 3-ingredient, no-bake peanut butter bite recipe. Peanut butter, oats, and honey. And this, I wanted to experiment a little bit. This one, peanut butter, dried oats, slivered almonds, some cranberry, and maple syrup. And I'm making it my lunch because why not, right? Anyway. Very good. Yeah. Thanks for watching Neely on Nutrition, and I will see you in my next video.